Hello guys, it is me, Miles, MV Shulman, and Stranger Things Season 4 and Green Eggs and Ham Season 2 is gonna be on, and I am really excited about that. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely am excited about seeing Green Eggs and Ham 2 and Stranger Things Season 4 when they do come on. Ah, yay! Alright, bye guys.